Welcome to Dozon Bouwtechniek, a branch in Dozon, Netherlands. Here is our LC. We supply mainly to the construction, contracting, interior construction, and the frame industry. And we do that here from the logistics center in Doetinchem. Dozon plans to grow rapidly in the coming years. And besides that, the goal is to stay within this current building. From there, we studied a solution and did it together with Vanus. And so we arrived at a solution with 7 Modula VLMs that allow us to increase storage capacity and productivity. The biggest challenge we faced was that within our existing operations, we had to rebuild a warehouse. Our limitation was very clear: low space available. Placing the 7 Modula with the 7 hoists was very complex. But we worked with Vanus on a daily basis to find the right solution and to figure out how to act on a daily basis. I think we succeeded very well. Of course, our goal was to achieve an increase in productivity. Before, an employee could complete about 100 lines per hour. Now, with the Modulas, the same employee is processing about 200 lines per hour. This is therefore a good evolution. We also chose this configuration in anticipation of possible future additions. Modula is truly a scalable solution.